I believe that many people are familiar with Huawei's product strength. This company has been able to become the most powerful internet technology manufacturer in China all the way, relying on its own excellent technical strength and reliable product experience. At present, Huawei has another brand new product. Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version is on the market. This product can be said to be an excellent work in Huawei's PC series, especially for office workers and student parties. The Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version can provide a lot of help. In appearance, this product follows a simple appearance, and the whole laptop does not have too many fancy patterns and decorations. But this does not mean that the Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version is an ordinary product in appearance. On the contrary, when we see this product for the first time, we will sincerely think of words such as fresh, exquisite and business. Moreover, the Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version has launched a new island blue color scheme. This kind of blue tone is not strong, representing the vigor and vitality of the new human beings, but it also gives people a fresh and comfortable feeling. It makes people feel refreshed when they see it. The officials said that this product is a large-screen high-performance thin and light notebook, which actually contains 3 advantages of Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version. This laptop uses a 16-inch large-size screen with an aspect ratio of 16:10, which can be called the golden ratio. Moreover, thanks to the extremely narrow bezel appearance, the screen-to-body ratio of this laptop is as high as 90%, which is the best among computers, is relatively rare. Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version has a wider field of vision, which can effectively improve user browsing and office efficiency. At the same time, the screen also uses a 1080p plus Full HD IPS anti-glare screen, supports 100% sRGB wide color gamut, displays richer colors, and more vivid display effects. Whether it is pictures or video clips, it can bring the richest and most realistic color presentation. Newcomers and college students in the workplace may have relatively high requirements for the network signal of the laptop. The Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version is equipped with a Huawei Metaline antenna. Compared with ordinary antennas, its signal conversion efficiency has increased by 56%. In this way, whether it is work or entertainment, there is no need to worry about network freezes and excessive delays. Although office notebooks generally do not have high requirements for performance, Huawei still equips this computer with a standard pressure processor. Official website information shows that the Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version is equipped with the 12th generation Intel Core i5 to 12450H processor. The processor has 8 cores and 12 threads, which has both performance and power consumption, and its daily performance is very good. In addition, thinness is also a very important point for office workers. The new Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version is equipped with a metal body and a 16-inch large screen, and still maintains a weight of about 1.7 kilograms. This weight is enough for the office party to carry it around without feeling too heavy. Of course, the advantages of Huawei's computer are far more than these. We all know that on computers, due to hardware limitations, the keyboard experience of many computers is not ideal, especially for students and office parties who need to use it for a long time. This is even more uncomfortable. However, Huawei's product is equipped with a 1.5mm high travel and keycap soft landing appearance, coupled with high-strength materials, not only can make the keyboard experience more comfortable, but also improve the lifespan to a certain extent. In addition, the Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version is also equipped with a numeric keypad and physical shortcut keys for smart functions, which can also improve office efficiency. In addition, if you are a user of a Huawei phone, you can rely on Huawei's Hyper Terminal to have in-depth interactions with this computer, including transferring files across devices, wirelessly casting screens, etc., and the user experience will go to a higher level. In addition, Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version also has a super terminal, which brings a simple and intuitive connection method. It can be connected to various other devices, such as phones, tablets, smart screens, etc., and it is easy to use multiple devices. It is as simple as using a device, and you can easily improve the efficiency of work and study without the cumbersome connection configuration. In addition, there is also a smart meeting solution, which empowers Huawei's artificial intelligence capabilities to PC meeting scenarios, and provides 3 major features: artificial intelligence smart eyes, artificial intelligence sound effects, and smart voice, creating an immersive, safe, An efficient meeting experience that adapts to complex environments. For students and professionals, Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version is one of the most outstanding productivity tools. At present, Huawei MateBook D 16 SE version has started its first sale. During the first sale period, the official offers a discount of up to $45, and the price starts at $710. Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.